नमस्कार, मैं मर्जिया मूसा मुखी डेयरी फार्म से वर्ल्ड एक्सपो 2018 में ब्राउन स्विस काऊ की विजेता बनी हुई मालकिन से कुछ क्षणिक वार्तालाप की वीडियो आपके साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ।
Okay, the brown Swiss milk is high in butter fat, and the components and ratio of protein to butter fat is excellent for cheese making as well. And it's very helpful with whole milk and very nutritious.
So, what's the percentage of protein in the milk?
The percent of protein in the milk is usually 3.9.
Very good.
Yes,
And
so
what about the fat?
the fat is usually 4.4.
Good. So better than Holstein?
Better than Holstein, and it's excellent for cheese making. If you want to get more cheese in your country, it's
yes.
the best.
Okay. What about the milk yield?
The milk yield average is 25,000.
Okay.
They have
And
come up higher.
good. What regarding that is per lactation, how much milk you told me?
Say 20,000.
20,000. Very good. It's 20,000 pound, right?
20,000 pounds. So kilos, I don't know.
Yeah, that I
Yes.
will convert.
Yes.
No problem.
And they milk more as they increase in age. This was a senior 2-year-old.
What about the people talking regarding the type of protein, the A2 protein and A1 protein? Do you know anything?
I'm not as well versed on that, but I know we are breeding for that A1 and A2 because we can find out genomically to do it.
Right.
I breed more for type, for conformation. So, but I'm very long time breeder. My sister, we grew up on a dairy farm
Okay.
of brown Swiss.
Okay. So, what about the fertility
The
regarding?
fertility. Fertility is good. They have their calves, of course, every 9-month gestation and a calf a year. And I do a lot of embryo work. People are doing more embryo work to increase the yield of a cow family.
Okay, great. And what the cost of embryo?
A cost of an embryo can be between $500 and $700 for a very good one, and they can be higher to $1,000, but it's not outrageously high to get good genetics.
Right. And what about the regarding that temperature for this animal? Is the weather is which weather is more good?
Well, for brown Swiss, that's why they're very popular in other countries because they're very heat tolerant. They can take the cold. They're very adaptable. They have a great disposition, and they have excellent feet and legs because that's important as they age to stay in the milking herd.
Right. Can you tell me regarding what type of feed they're taking?
I'm not sure of what type of feed. It probably is a 40% pellets that give them a lot of energy for their milk yield. Good hay is very important, good alfalfa hay. That's one of our most important to keep the rumen going good.
So for a breeding animal, you give the more protein and fiber product like alfalfa, silage.
Yeah, some people use a TMR, total mixed rations,
Right.
and that's in bigger dairies. We're more family dairy farming specialty, so we don't have a large herd, and we prefer it that way.
Right. And I'm very happy to meet you and congratulations you getting the prize
Yes.
of that one.
Out of 20 animals, we were first place, senior 2-year-old, and we will go back in for the intermediate champion here and 2 more classes. So we shall see. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much for your valuable times and we present this interview in Indian newspaper.
Oh,
And
thank you.
thanks a lot again.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.
हम आशा रखते हैं कि हमारे इंडिया के यंग फार्मर ये 2018 वर्ल्ड एक्सपो का वीडियो और लाइव हमसे जुड़ के काऊ ब्रीड के बारे में काफ़ी ज्ञान बढ़ाया होगा. Once again, thank you very much from Mukhi Dairy Farm. Please contact us for more information.